Hello everyone, welcome back to Nair's Kitchen. In this video you will see how to troubleshoot the inlet error IE error code in washing machine. IE error is inlet error, which indicates that there is no water supply to the washer. Don't worry, this can be fixed easily with this troubleshoot video. Switch off the power supply and turn off the tap and check whether there is a water supply or not. Here you can see there is no water supply, so the machine was indicating the IE error. In this case, machine will work once the water supply is available. Other reason can be clogged inlet filter, which is connected behind the machine. Water supply to the washer becomes slow if the inlet filter is clogged. Turn off the water faucet and detach the water supply hose from the machine. This is the inlet filter which you can see. As there is no grip to pull this filter out, I am using a fork here. It will help to pull out this filter easily. This filter looks pretty clogged, which needs cleaning. Clean it under the running water with the help of brush. So cleaning the inlet filter also helps in proper flow of the water to the washer. Filter is clean now. We can put it back. Attach the water supply hose to the machine tightly so that there is no water dripping. Friends, it's very easy to fix IE error without any help. I mean, this can be done by ourselves. Let's start the machine and check. It should work. You can hear the pressure of the water flow is very high. You can see the water pressure is high and the machine is working. So these are the simple troubleshooting steps to fix IE error code. I hope this video will be very helpful to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.